Welcome to week 62 to week 71 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 70 weeks, I have invested in 5 mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Let's take a look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 14% with a CAGR of negative 3%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is down 0.4% with a CAGR of negative 0.4%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 16% with a CAGR of 17%. Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 11% with a CAGR of 11%. And Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is down 2% with a CAGR of negative 8%. My overall portfolio is down 4% with a CAGR of negative 5%. For comparison, Sensex is down 1% with a CAGR of negative 1% since I started this journey on October 14, 2024. So, yes, I'm currently underperforming the index, and that's okay because short term numbers don't define long term outcomes. This week, I'm investing again in Invesco India Midcap Fund. Yes, the one that's currently down. Let me explain why. Midcaps move in cycles. They underperform sharply and then outperform sharply. I already have exposure to small caps and large cap. Adding to mid caps strengthens my growth engine allocation for the next 5 to 10 years. Let me ask you something. When your fund goes down 5 to 10 percentage, what do you usually do? Stop SIP, switch funds, or invest more? Comment below. I genuinely want to know how you react in falling markets. If you like disciplined investing over hype, like this video. If you are building long term wealth, subscribe. This is week 62 to week 71 of Where Am I Investing? I will see you in the next update. Thanks for watching.